Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can change your PFP on Discord. To put it in other words, today I'm going to demonstrate that you can change your profile picture or avatar in a few simple steps. So to begin with, open your profile settings page by typing at your current avatar at the bottom right of the screen. Then go into either tap over here or go for the user profile category. Then tap at your current profile picture, change the avatar or choose the change avatar option and pick the image that you would like to use as your PFP from the gallery. I'll go with this one, let's say. Frame it. You can even crop it. You can rotate the image if you want to, and then hit the choose button. Onwards, save the changes, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.